Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels. So today it's been around more than 6 months that I have bought the Volkswagen GTI. I hope you have seen my video about its in-depth review. If you haven't, then click on upper right corner now to see it right away. So guys, Volkswagen India launched the GTI over a year ago, but they didn't launch its accessories with it. So after a year, when almost 99 GTIs is almost going to be sold, the company has finally launched its accessories as well. So I've ordered some of the accessories for my GTI, whichever was available right now. Sadly, some of the stuff are still in transit, but let me show you guys what I have ordered yet and show you its installation as well. Before installation, let's show you what all accessories has been launched for Volkswagen GTI. So right now I only have received 3 accessories for my car and rest are in transit. The reason for the delay is as GTI is a CBU unit, all of its parts and accessories are imported from Chile. They only take orders on special order basis, so it takes usually a week to receive the parts in some case. So these are the Volkswagen air valve caps, which has Volkswagen branding on top of their caps. Trust me, they look really nice on those Salvador rims. This is a Volkswagen basic carrier which will be mounted on the headrest so that other handy accessories like coat hanger, action camera mount can be attached to it. Finally, this is a Volkswagen action camera mount which will be attached to the basic carrier, and the best part about this mount is its ability to rotate whole 360 degrees, which will not let you bound to just one camera angle. I also wonder if this basic carrier and action camera mount can be used in other vehicles as well. So let's start with the installation of these accessories. Right now we are just replacing the stock air caps with Volkswagen genuine air valve caps, which are easy to install and can be used in any vehicle. So to install the basic carrier, you just need 5 minutes, and don't worry, it's a really easy job to do. So first you split open the basic carrier into two and position it right against the headrest bars. There is also a top sticker on carrier which will indicate in which direction it has to be installed. Then take out the screws supplied with the basic carrier and use the Allen key, which is also supplied with the box, to tightly screw the basic carrier. Once you are done with it, then use the caps to cover the screws so that the screws will not be visible. Now you can simply mount your GoPro using the basic mount that comes with it. The sole reason that I bought this mount is because you cannot always get the best shot using the head strap mount or car glasses mount. So a more centric view with no foundation of changing the angles will not be a problem anymore. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with more interesting content real soon. I know this video was not very informative, but a small update of GTI. Please like, comment and subscribe if you really liked the video.